Hi. We all have a need to fit in. This is because we are inherently part of the whole, the one being, where there is no separation. But of course we are playing the game of pretending to be separate. And this creates pressure to conform. It reminds me of the John Carpenter film called They Live. You probably remember where this guy finds a pair of sunglasses, puts them on, and he sees the words of things around him suddenly change to words like, or suggestions like, submit, no independent thinking, or conform. It was a brilliant film, quite hilarious, but has a very true message. So if we do this, if we do conform, we tend to lose our individuality. Of course, society doesn't want free thinkers. But trying to fit a square peg into a round hole just doesn't work. And our connection with Source becomes difficult to achieve and even harder to maintain. It is precisely this connection to Source that keeps us growing and evolving in consciousness. So, do we want to take our information from the matrix and live in servitude? Or do we want to plug into that glorious, infinite, ever-expanding self that is us? We should celebrate our uniqueness. Like every individual snowflake, it is created in the mind of God. We should be sovereign, whole being first, integrating all of our aspects before we move into unity. Of course, our default reality is that of the matrix. That continual repeating program that tells us that we are our bodies, that we age and succumb to disease and death. But this is a lie. We are purely projecting our consciousness through our body in order to interface and experience with this reality. In fact, we are creating our reality second by second through our thought processes. It is easy to switch to earth or material thinking, forgetting that we are first and foremost spirit. But as we do this, we are just plugging back into the matrix. We can, of course, turn this around at any point by recognizing our true divine nature, thereby creating a reality of infinite possibility, of harmony and peace. I know which one I'm choosing.